Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Pheanoo P27 soundbar. You can get this product on Amazon for about $130. Check out the link in the description. The soundbar comes with an HDMI cable, an optical cable, an aux cable, a remote control, a setup guide, a mounting template, a user manual, and for whatever reason a pair of gloves. On the back of the soundbar you will find the output for the subwoofer and the input for the aux cable, the optical cable and the HDMI cable. On the side of the soundbar you will find the USB input and the standby and volume buttons. Connecting the soundbar to a Bluetooth device is very easy and the sound quality is very good. I tested the soundbar for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. I already tested a few soundbars in the low to medium price range and I didn't expect such a good sound quality. I only used the soundbar with a Bluetooth connection to connect to my smartphone or my projector and I never had any connection issues. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality soundbar with heavy bass and really good sound, I would recommend the Pheanoo P27 soundbar with subwoofer. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.